how to make a pizza on a grill. Today a special episode because we're using charcoal grill. Weber Kettle, the most simple grill you can possibly imagine. It is just Weber, charcoal and me. Let's go. I put the whole chimney of charcoal into the grill, but now we want to make it work a little bit longer. That's why I'm putting a couple of briquettes as well inside. It will make the grill long for much longer time. And additionally, if you want to make a pizza that tastes like from Naples, Italy, put a couple of wood chunks. It will give a great flavor to the pizza. And now let's put the grill. And what I can tell you from my experience, if I put the pizza stone like this directly on the grill, the temperature in this grill will be extremely high, and especially the bottom of the pizza will be completely burnt. So here's a trick. Just put the baskets first and the pizza stone will be much higher. In this case, the temperature will be more even. The high temperature from the top and the high temperature from the bottom. Let's roll the dough, baby. Now, this grill has a temperature of real hell. So after 1, maximum 2 minutes, we'll check the pizza. So let's see how it looks. It doesn't look bad, it looks quite okay. A little bit pale from the outside, but the bottom, perfect, I would say. Let's make a small adjustment. There's another method I wanted to try on this grill. Take a look at this. I'm taking off the stone, and also I won't need this anymore. Let's move all the briquettes and all the charcoal to the very end of the grill. And now let's add a little bit more charcoal in order to keep the grill working, and again a couple of wood chunks. And now let's put the griddle, the pizza stone, but I put it far away from the heat. The heat is from this side and pizza will be made here. And remember, when you're closing the lid, leave a little bit open. The airflow will make the pizza even better because the heat draft will start from here and go over the pizza to this open vent. Let's roll some dough, baby. 2 minutes and we're checking. Let's check this pizza. Whoa! The color is pretty amazing. It's completely brown, mostly because of the heat, but also because of the smoke, I think. Now we have to rotate this pizza and make sure it's evenly cooked, because from this side it's much lower temperature than from this side. 1 more minute and we'll check the pizza. And after 1 minute, the effect is pretty amazing. Take a look at the difference. This is almost brown. I'm maybe missing a little bit of this typical Italian black spots, but this is perfect anyway. And also the cheese. Probably Italians would kill me for a cheese like this because they like it pale, more like in this pizza. But this is more like a New York pizza style. And I love a cheese burnt like this. And now, guys, I'm gonna eat it together with my cameraman. Let me know what you think about this test. Tell me about some other methods to do it on a charcoal grill. And let me know what other grills should I use to make a perfect pizza. See you guys.